After many years of education and several degrees, I know a few things about getting into college. I provide useful information and resources about college and university admissions. College admission advice by Harvard and Yale graduates. Below in a description of this video. Therefore, I will post a series of videos about it. How to get in college and get college admission. We will talk about the best way to get into college and how to get into the best colleges. So, how to get in university? Especially in a good one. I always recommend doing a good cost-benefit analysis for any college admission decision. My suggested formula is very simple. You should get into the best college possible. Means the highest ranking college program you can, where you will pay as little as possible. In short, the highest ranking college program and the lowest cost of tuition you can get. This is a very important approach because of the lousy job market for many college graduates. The exception to this rule are few to none. You must always avoid incurring large student debt, especially for a degree that leads to no job in the future. So, we came to the next major point of choosing a good college major. I will talk about this in detail in future videos, but try to select a college major that yields an actual job. Best way to get into college or university is to maintain good grades in high school and to involve yourself in extra activities. You must earn good grades in complicated classes, such as AP Honors, IB classes in school in the USA, and science and math classes in other countries. Study hard, diligently and get a good school GPA. Then you should get a high SAT, CT score or other exams, depending on the country where you live. In the USA, you also need to write a good personal statement and show your strong interest in selected major, usually by extracurricular activities in school. But for the best advice and useful information and resources about college and university admissions, college admission advice by Harvard and Yale graduates, see below in a description to this video. Thank you. See you in the next video.